So here's how to create and manage subtasks in Jira. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So first, what you need to do is to open any browser in your system and go to Jira. Site is starting up. This is Jira, and first I will create a task. So click on Create. Make sure that task is selected in issue type if you want to create a task. Write summary of your task and then click Create. Go to Task. You can see that task is created. Now I will create subtasks by clicking on Add a child issue. Now write your subtasks that need to be done. I will create as task 1, 2, and 3. The status of subtasks are to do. Change it to done like this when your subtask is done. You can see it showing 1 of 3 is done and it's 33% done. If you want to hide your completed subtasks, then go to 3 dots and tick Hide Done. You can also edit subtasks in bulk by clicking Bulk Edit. Select that you want to edit. I will select all. Then click Next. Edit Issues and click Next. From here you can edit your subtasks. I will change comments. Then click Next in the bottom. Click Confirm. Then click Done in Bulk Operation. Now your bulk operation is 100% complete. This is how you can create and manage subtasks in Jira.